Welcome to the quick tutorial from Present Trade on how to create a PDF from a Weblink in seconds using Foxit PDF Reader software. Go to the web page you want to convert into a PDF and copy its URL. Then go to Foxit PDF Reader, then choose Convert tab. After that, click from Web Page button. Wait a few seconds. And just like that, you can turn the web page into a user-friendly, editable PDF. The links within the PDF are fully functional too. To edit the PDF, click on Edit tab. Click on Edit Text to edit any text you like. From Edit Objects, choose Shapes to edit any shape in your PDF. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.